Good afternoon and welcome everyone to this positive interactive session with me, Deepthi Saraswat. I would like to thank Abhivira Foundation for their um, I would like to thank Abhivira Foundation for giving me this opportunity to come live and share my views. In this crisis, mind you, and this is an opportunity for infusing some positivity this Saturday on a lockdown day in Agra. Mind you, friends, COVID crisis is all brought because of the lockdown, but our mind should never be locked down in any crisis, come so what may. I would specially thank Mrs. Shalini, who approached me with a trust to share my views and ideas on self-confidence and motivation. When she called me, I was, in fact, happy, excited, but a little nervous because this was my first ever live session. But then I said to myself, कि I need to feed my confidence and starve my fear. I said, okay, I'm sure I'll do well. And then I said, but my mind, it gave a googly. He said, Deepthi, first time you are going live, and then there are no retakes, there are no rehearsals. But then I said to myself, I gave a sixer and said, no, I have to do means I have to do it. I am self-confident, and even if I am not, I will gradually get into it, and there's always the first time. इस पर मुझे बस एक शेर याद आता है कि एक उर्दू का शेर है, मौसमों की खबर नहीं रखता, मौसमों की खबर नहीं रखता वो परिंदा जो पर नहीं रखता, देखता हूं मैं सिर्फ मंजिलों को, फासलों पर नजर नहीं रखता. इसी के साथ सो ऑलवेज बिलीव इन योर ट्रस्ट, इन योर पॉसिबिलिटीज. एवरी डे इज अ न्यू डे, अ न्यू चैलेंज एंड ऑफ कोर्स न्यू विक्ट्रीज. इसी पर मुझे एक छोटी सी स्टोरी याद आई है. एक छोटी सी चिड़िया थी एंड शी वॉज फ्लाइंग. पूरा दिन उड़ती थी आसमान में, तिनका, पानी, दाना चुगती हुई, और आराम करने के लिए एक पेड़ पर की ऊंची सी डाल पर बैठ जाया करती थी. बस उसका रोज का यही दिनचर्या था, उड़ना, खाना दाना पानी ढूंढना और थक के उस पेड़ की डाल पर बैठ जाना. वो उस पेड़ की डाल पर अपने आप को कंडीशन कर लिया उसने. फिर एक दिन बहुत तेज तूफान आया, देयर वाज अ स्टॉर्म, और सारे पेड़, सारे पत्ते, डालियां सब टूटने लगी. फिर अब वो तो उसके जो और दोस्त थे वो लोग तो डर गए. उनको ये लगा कि अब तो ये परेशानी का टाइम आ गया, नाउ व्हाट टू डू, वी हैव टू रन अवे फ्रॉम हियर. बट लेकिन उसने सोचा कि नहीं, ऐसे उड़ जाने से कोई फायदा नहीं. आज यहाँ से तूफान से बचूंगी, कहीं और भी हो सकता है. उसको अपने परों पर, अपने पंखों पर विश्वास था. शी न्यू कि मैं जो करूंगी अपनी हिम्मत, अपनी काबिलियत के हिसाब से कर लूंगी, और वो डरी नहीं. ऐसे ही हमको भी जब पहली बार हम किसी चीज को फेस करते हैं तो हमें डर तो जरूर लगता है. आज मुझे भी लगा. जैसे ही लाइव शुरू हुआ, आई थॉट ये क्या हुआ, इट्स नाउ आई एम लाइव, इट्स 3 o'clock. बट थैंक यू सो मच. आप लोग सब लोगों के सहयोग और मोटिवेशन से शायद मैं आज आप लोगों तक वो मैं कह सकूं जो मैं कहना चाहती हूँ. Abhivira India welcomes me. Thank you so much, Abhivira India. Thank you for your efforts. Thank you so much. तो मैं ये सोचती हूँ कि हम लोगों को अपने कॉन्फिडेंस को बिल्डअप रखने के लिए बहुत से एथिक्स को सोचना पड़ता है. कुछ एक बेसिक एथिक्स हैं हर चीज के, जिनको कि हमको फॉलो करना ही चाहिए. उसमें सबसे पहला है ट्रस्ट योरसेल्फ. अपने आप पर विश्वास रखना is the most important thing in life. Greater self-confidence allows you to clarify your self-doubts. जो हमारे अंदर एक अविश्वास होता है कि होगा कि नहीं होगा, वो चीज़ों से हम बच जाते हैं. वो तभी होगा जब हम उसको फेस करेंगे. we have to live in the present, because mind is a tool जिसको कि हमें इतने समय के साथ मिला है और जिससे हम लोग एनिमल से डिस्टिंग्विश भी होते हैं. लेकिन माइंड ऑलवेज वांट्स अ शार्प इंटेलेक्ट, एंड शार्प थिंग्स आर यूजुअली यूज्ड टू डाइसेक्ट, काटने के लिए. तो हमको उसको बहुत ही टेक्निकली यूज करना चाहिए. ऐसा नहीं, ये यहाँ पे कोई मैसेज है, हैरी क्लेंस. ओके, थैंक यू सो मच, ग्रेट मोटिवेशनल स्टोरी, थैंक यू. Sangeeta says, all the best. Thank you so much, ma'am. You are ultimate, dear, very impressive. Thank you so much, Jenny, ma'am. Okay, so now, what I was telling you, you have to have trust in yourself. So under stress, you can do nothing. With my personal experience, I am telling you, dear friends, this is my first live session, and I was really, though I give motivational speeches in different places, but then I was thinking, what will happen unless and until you face it, you cannot understand how to get a way out. So the first thing I told you was trust yourself. You have to believe in yourself. And then self-confidence and confidence. Confidence is something that you have on others, your parents, your friends, your family members. So they are there for you to help you. लेकिन सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस इट कम्स फ्रॉम विद इन. सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस इज नेचर एंड इट हैज टू बी नर्चर्ड. उसके लिए बहुत से स्किल्स हैं, ट्रेट्स हैं, जिसको कि हम लोग स्टेब्लिश कर सकते हैं, डेवलप कर सकते हैं. सो दिस इज द फर्स्ट थिंग इज. एंड नाउ इफ यू कैन डू योर बेस्ट अंडर स्ट्रेस ओनली इफ यू आर फ्री फ्रॉम सोशल एंजाइटीज. सोशल एंजाइटीज क्या हुई? सोशल एंजाइटीज वो हैं जिसमें कि हमें ये लगता है कि अगर मैं कुछ करूं तो मुझे कैसे रेस्पॉन्सेज मिलेंगे. विल आई बी अफेक्टेड और विल आई बी नॉट? बट यस, इनिशियली वी आर, बट लाइफ इज अ ongoing process where we keep learning, keep gaining experiences without any competition, without any comparisons. Say, suppose I walk into a room thinking that I am better than others, or it is I walk into a room knowing that there is no comparison. I do not have to compare with anybody. I want to be my best version. This should be there in our hearts, in our minds, and this is what we gradually develop. It is not a one day show that आज मैंने एक इंजेक्शन लगाया और सोचा कि yes, I'll do it and I will do. ऐसा नहीं है. Failures are a step to success, that we all know. ये हमें लगता ही है. Team Kanpur marks its presence, ma'am. Thank you. Then I'm just reminded of Dalai Lama. He said, if you just keep on speaking, and that means you are just showing and telling your thoughts. But if you listen to others, it gives you more information, more motivation, which you can always take and you can extract from that. It is not that the whole thing is applicable on you, what others say, but you should give a listening to what others say. The third is, at least do one thing that scares you. And this is what I have done today. I have been an introvert at times, I have been an extrovert at times, but I always want to like challenges. Without challenge, you feel that your life is quite dull, same, you are just walking on a plateau. It should not be that. We need to get challenges where you get ready to accept it, come out with different ways, जिससे कि हमको बहुत नए नए तरीके कई बार मिल जाते हैं और उनसे हम लोग सीखते हैं. एंड एवरी फेलियर इज एन इंस्पिरेशन, अ गाइडेंस टू वर्क बेटर, बट ओनली इफ यू आर डेडिकेटेड, only if you have that intention and your motive to do it. Otherwise, it is not possible. Then one simple thing is, start from small things. Start from small things means take a challenge, small challenges. Like it's very difficult to listen to your equals, but sometimes it's quite easy to listen to the people who are lower to you. जानते हो क्यों? क्योंकि उसमें हमें ऐसा लगता है कि हमें एक आदर्श के रूप में देख रहे हैं, जैसे कि सी सच अ बिग मैन, और वो फिर भी इतना हम्बल है कि वो हमारी बात सुन रहा है, हमारी बात को तवज्जो दे रहा है। तो इसलिए हम लोगों को छोटों के की बात मानना इजी होता है। एंड ऑफ कोर्स इट्स लीस्ट डिफिकल्ट टू लिसन टू योर एल्डर्स बिकॉज दे आर इन अ कैपेसिटी ऑफ अथॉरिटी। जहां हम चाहें या ना चाहें, we have to humbly submit and listen. It's also easy, but the most difficult task is to listen to your equals. वहीं पर कंपैरिजन आता है, वहीं पर कंपटीशन आता है, वहीं पर ईगो आती है, वहीं इनसिक्योरिटीज आती हैं, वहीं पर प्राइड आता है, एंड देन सो मेनी थिंग्स विच अल्टीमेटली मेक यू फील कि नहीं, हाउ कैन आई लिसन टू दिस पर्सन हु इज जस्ट इक्वल विद मी? इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल। तो ये छोटी छोटी चीज़ें हैं जिनको कि हमें सोचना चाहिए। एंड ग्रेजुअली व्हेन वी start listening to our people lower to us and seniors to us or elders to us, then we gradually that sinks into us and it becomes easy for us to listen and adapt to our equals. ये तो एक बात हुई। एक है, do not react to situations but you should respond according to your intelligence. इसका क्या मतलब? रिएक्शन कब होता है? रिएक्शन तब होता है जब हम लोग प्रिपेयर्ड नहीं हैं, वी आर नॉट प्रिपेयर्ड, ऑल ऑफ अ सडन इट कम्स एंड वी रिएक्ट। बट लेकिन अगर हम उसको ग्रेजुअली अपने अंदर डेवलप करते हैं तो वी विल नॉट रिएक्ट, वी विल रिस्पॉन्ड। किसी ने मुझसे क्वेश्चन पूछा मेरे ही टॉपिक का, तो आई एम श्योर मैं उसको जवाब दे पाऊंगी, आई विल रिस्पॉन्ड। लेकिन जो चीज़ मुझे नहीं आती, मुझसे कोई पूछेगा तो आई विल रिएक्ट। सो दिस इज अ बेसिक एथिक फॉर पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट, फॉर सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस, फॉर मोटिवेशन, कि ट्राई टू डेवलप अ नेचर टू रेस्पॉन्ड रादर देन रिएक्ट। बिकॉज देखो, एक इंटरनल होता है, एक एक्सटर्नल होता है। एक्सटर्नल जो इन्फ्लुएंसेस हैं, they are not under our control at all, because everybody will not work the way we want them to work. So even if 51% of external influences are according to you, that means you are successful. That is for sure. And rest internal. अब इंटरनल में ये है कि this oneself should always work according to your wish. It should work the way you want it to work. Do not give your remote control in other people's hands. That is, you are only happy if you are successful. You are only happy if you are able to overcome the challenge with the help of others. Your surroundings are good, people are respecting you, people are loving you. No, you have to respect your own self. That is very important. If you do that, 50% is done. The rest plus 50%, of course, it depends on the environment also. Then other thing is, be proud of who you are. You should be happy and proud that if I know this much, it's good. I can increase my capacity of knowledge. I cannot grasp or take other person's knowledge. ये तो नहीं हो सकता. Then confidence is silent and insecurities are loud. Confidence is silent and insecurities are loud. That is, if you are loud, you are hyper, that means you have externally taken that self-confidence, which is not been nurtured yet. You have to work a lot on yourself. इसका मतलब ये हुआ. then yes, overcoming your weaknesses and strengths. Actually, I feel that stories are a very good source of developing your qualities, your communication skills, your knowledge, your listening power. Because if you listen to others, as I told you, then you are taking other people's intelligence also to develop yourself. Ultimately, life is not a race, it is a playground. Life अगर रेस होती तो there is always a start point and a finish point. Start point is your birth and finish point is your death. So who wants to complete the race and die early? Is anybody ready to do that? Not me. I am there to play my life, play the game. So what we can do is we can just make one end at the other end, the between can be made perfect. And that can be done by different skills, isn't it? Now, a short little incident. There were two children, Sammy and Mary. They went to their grandma's place. वहाँ पर उनके बहुत बड़ा there was a farm and there were ducks. So this Sammy had a slingshot. गुलेल थी उसके पास. So he tried all day in the open field to just aim at a single tree, big tree trunk. Still not possible. वो बहुत दुखी हो गया. तो उसने सोचा, out of just he was going inside, out of desperation, anxiety, anger, frustration, he just hit one stone and accidentally it directly hit a duck. उस डक के लगने से and she died. That boy was, अभी तक तो उसका एक भी शॉट नहीं लग रहा था एंड अब देखो उनका ये हो रहा है कि उसने एक गोली मारी और वो तो डक ही मर गई. बट ही गॉट वेरी नर्वस. उसने जल्दी से इसको एक गड्ढा खोदा, उसमें डाला एंड एज ही वॉज एंटरिंग द हाउस his sister said, my dear brother, I have seen what mistake you have done. He was very apologetic. He said, मैं क्या करूँ, I'm so sorry, मुझसे तो हो गया, but it was not intentional. But she said, intentional or unintentional, हो तो गया, now what to do? She said, okay, I won't tell anybody. अब तुम वो सारे काम करोगे जो मैं करती हूँ. I said, okay, I'll do it. For 2, 3, 4 days, whenever the grandmother asked her to help her, she used to say, Sammy wants to do it. He'll wash the utensils, he'll cut vegetables for you, and he will do all those multiple tasks. Poor boy, he was frustrating. अंदर ही अंदर उसका डर भी था, उसको परेशानी भी हो रही थी. Then he said, one day grandfather in the morning said, come on Sammy, we'll go for fishing today. Now he just forgot what he had done in the past and he wanted to go with the grandpa. Mary came and she said, oh, you want to go? But you were saying that you will help grandma in the kitchen today. Grandpa, I'll come along. That she was full till the brim. She said, no more. Now what to do? Mary went. And then Sammy was, he could not control it anymore. He said, Grandma, I am really sorry. And he cried bitterly. कि मुझसे ये हो गया. Then the grandmother smilingly said, yes, I know कि ये तुमने किया. And that same very day I came to know. But I was seeing that how long will you keep your sister take advantage of your fear. So dear friends, we should always see that our fears are our fears and our successes are our successes. तो अपने किसी भी गलती पर किसी दूसरे को हावी मत होने दो. Let them not overpower you. You need to take your own stand in life, isn't it? So to nurture your characteristics, there are many traits, character traits, behavior traits, attitudinal traits, जिसमें confidence आ गया, communication skills आ गए, stress and time management आ गया, तालमेल आ गया. Keep your ends in mind. कि आपको क्या आपका टारगेट है, कहाँ तक आपको पहुँचना है. Simple. Now there are two stalwarts in Sanskrit, Vijay and Vinay. Vijay is victory and Vinay is humility. And it's a killer combination. If you combine these two, your trust will be yourself. You will trust yourself to the extent that you will prove yourself to be best, and but do not close your ears to listening to others. This is very important, because see, self confidence is a skill. You have to have develop that skill, and it does not develop in one day. Dr. Joseph defined self confidence as the ability to believe in your ability. Said your ability to believe in your ability to accomplish any task, no matter the odds, no matter the difficulty, and no matter the adversity. You should always be confident on your creativity. See, anybody can take away your creation. Of course they can. But can they take away your creativity? No. Somebody asked a honeybee, see, people come and extract your honey and go. Don't you feel bad? She said, yes, I do. But only at that moment. It is not that I keep on repenting and crying for that which is already gone. Because they can only take my creation. They can only take what I have made. They cannot take what I am capable of doing. Mitali Sharma says, excellent man, outstanding, beautiful, pen down the sweetly narrated. Thanks. Thank you, Mitali. Okay. So, nobody can take your creativity. It is only that they can take your creations. They can take your techniques, but they cannot take your talent. Talent you develop. You have to develop. There are so many, because that is why I always say stories are a very good source of inspiration. I also undergo a lot of stress at times, but then because stories give you a message, you yourself visualize yourself in that character, and when they find a solution, you can also find it. Now, there's a very hairline difference between confidence and arrogance. When you feel that you are the best version of yourself, that is confidence. But when you realize and you start feeling that you are the best in the world, that is the arena of arrogance. And when you are in the arena of arrogance, that means your growth stops. You will not grow any further, because you are not ready to accept. You feel you are the best, which is not so. Like in your iOS and Androids and your operating systems, you very often update. So what you need to do, you need to always update your version. You have to see that how can you be the best version. And for that, you have to work very hard. You have to give your 200%. You have to come out from your comfort zone. Otherwise, if you want to be relaxed, do not want to work, then what will happen? You will come on that plateau where you will just keep on walking. Every day is a new challenge, new fears, but live in the present. अगर आप चाहते हो कि आप सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंट हो जाओ, तो उसके लिए व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, तुम्हें आज में जीना है. मेक योर प्रेजेंट ब्यूटिफुल. इफ यू मेक योर प्रेजेंट ब्यूटिफुल, योर फ्यूचर इज लाइकली टू बी ब्यूटिफुल. Did anybody realize that 2020 will bring such a big pandemic? No, we were not ready. But gradually, remember the initial days, it was so upsetting. Everybody was in a panic. छोटी सी खांसी आई, लगा मुझे हो गया कोविड. बट नाउ अवेयरनेस आई, हाउ कैन वी सेव आवरसेल्व्स. तो उससे क्या हुआ, नाउ वी आर टेकिंग दोज प्रिकॉशंस, ट्राइंग टू सेव आवरसेल्व्स. बट परेशानी तो अभी टली नहीं, इट इज स्टिल देयर. बट हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, वी आर एवरी डे इम्प्रूविंग. देयर इज वर्षा, वेरी नाइस. सुनीता कुमारी सेज वेरी नाइस मैम, थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू. मुझे भी मालूम है कि मैं फर्स्ट एक्सपीरियंस होने की वजह से मैं भी इतना अपने आप को शायद नहीं दे पा रही. ये मेरा अपना मानना है. आई एम नॉट कंपेयरिंग विद एनीबडी. देर आर वेरी गुड स्पीकर्स, देर कैन बी स्पीकर्स जो मुझसे भी बुरा बोले, बट लेकिन आई नो दैट एवरी टाइम इट्स अ फर्स्ट टाइम. इफ वी थिंक कि नहीं मैं नहीं कर सकता, अब नहीं कर पाऊंगी, तो ऐसे तो वी विल नेवर फ्लरिश. वी हैव टू वर्क. ओके, सो वी वर टॉकिंग अबाउट द बेस्ट वर्जन ऑफ आवरसेल्फ. So as soon as you realize that you are your best version, you start giving your best. You automatically start giving your best. And always remember that I am the best. Keep your heart, your mind, your consciousness open to learning from people. Mind is like a parachute. It will open only when it is required, and it will only function when it is open. बंद होगा पैराशूट, हम सोचे क्यों वेस्ट करें, अगली बार खोल लेंगे और एरोप्लेन से छलांग लगाएंगे, नहीं. सो इट ओनली फंक्शंस व्हेन इट इज ओपन. सो माइंड इज ऑल्सो लाइक अ पैराशूट. कॉन्फिडेंस इज नॉट टू बी लाउड. It is not even being that you are to be noticed. In fact, it is that you know that you are great without having been seen. It's a silent winner, a humble champion. Self-confidence is a positive state of mind. It is not a hyper-inflated, egoistic state. It is a state of peace and tranquility. एक बहुत शांत अगर आपका दिमाग तभी होगा जब आप कॉन्फिडेंट होंगे जो भी कर रहे हैं. कोई छोटा या कोई बड़ा नहीं होता. यू डू नॉट हैव टू लुक डाउन ऑन समबडी और लुक अप टू समबडी. थिंक दैट यू हैव टू डू इट, एंड देन यू विल फाइंड सम वे टू डू. नथिंग शुड बॉयल योर टेम्पर और मेक यू फील लो. रिमेंबर, nobody is born perfect. This is the mantra I always keep for myself. I have seen very good, wonderful speakers, influencing speakers, but then how did they become such a good speaker? Were they born wonderful, best speakers? No. Nobody is born perfect. It is only possible to be perfect. अगर आप चाहो, अगर आप उसमें अपना full 100% दोगे, if you play life as a game, it will be wonderful. Every day will be so wonderful, and you will remember it for your lifetime. That is for sure. Now, but how to acquire confidence? क्या करें? By trusting yourself, of course, having faith in yourself, of course, being positive. The negativities should not be around you. Slowly and gradually, as I told you, take one challenge. And speaking live today was one of my challenge which I took. It is an internal quality and beauty that nobody can spoil. Self-confidence is an internal beauty. Nobody can spoil. It's not a makeup that somebody comes and take it off. No, nobody can do it. So, as I told you, it is a nature and it can be nurtured. Self-confidence is that when you understand and you trust on your own judgments, you should be confident that yes, if I've taken any challenge, I'm going to get through it. I will do it. And then you will be free from the social anxieties. Social anxieties are a normal pressure that everybody has. Do not be in fear, do not be in guilt of any kind, because when you confess and you correct your mistakes, the load of guilt is taken away, and which gives you a boost for self confidence. Everybody can overcome their fears. We have got so many examples like Albert Einstein, Walt Disney. In their initial stages, they were really taken to be of no use. But do we feel so now? No. Every failure should give us that courage to fight back the next time with better and more zeal. This is self confidence. आत्मविश्वास होना बहुत ज़रूरी है, लेकिन ओवर कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं होना चाहिए. और ओवर कॉन्फिडेंस कब होगा? तभी होगा जब हमें ये फील होने लगेगा कि नहीं, मुझसे अच्छा कोई नहीं, मैं सब कर सकता हूँ. यू शुड नो योर कैपेबिलिटीज, योर वीकनेसेस. धीरे धीरे आप अपनी वीकनेसेस को समझ के उनको सुलझाते जाओगे. एक एक वीकनेस को लेकर के उनको कंट्रोल करोगे. कंट्रोल पे याद आया, एक बार एक आदमी ने कहा मुझे बहुत गुस्सा आता है. सो वन मैन सेड ठीक है, तुम जाओ और उनको हैमर करो जितनी बार तुम्हें गुस्सा आए एक फेंस पर. ही डिड इट रेगुलरली. एक एक दिन में 25-25 कीले ठोक रहा था. ही सेड यार दिस इज टू मच, इट इज बेटर आई कंट्रोल माई एंगर. और उसने अपने गुस्से को कंट्रोल किया. ही वेंट एंड टोल्ड हिम कि यार अब मैं कंट्रोल कर लेता हूँ. सेड ओके, बट चलो अब तुम कंट्रोल कर रहे हो जितनी बार, तो टेक वन नेल आउट ऑफ दोज नेल्स जो तुमने वहां पर हैमर करके गाड़ी हैं. ही सेड ओके. उसने वो भी शुरू कर दिया. देन वन डे ही रिमूव ऑल एंड उसको 2-4 बची होंगी. देन ही सेड कि यार अब तो मुझे गुस्सा ही नहीं आता है. ही सेड सी दिस इज, अगर आपको जितनी बार भी गुस्सा आएगा, या आप अपना गुस्सा अंदर पियोगे या किसी पे निकालोगे, तो वो निशान बन रह जाते हैं. तो उससे अच्छा ये है कि हम अपने गुस्से को कंट्रोल करना सीखें. और वो कब आएगा? जब हमारे अंदर उस पर्टिकुलर चीज की नॉलेज आ जाएगी. कॉन्फिडेंस नॉलेज से ही आता है. अगर जो मुझे नहीं आता और मैं करने पहुंच जाऊं, तो मुझे शुरू में तो गुस्सा आएगा, ऐसे यार मैं कहाँ फंस गई. बट देन थिंक, पीस ऑफ माइंड, अ ग्लास ऑफ वाटर, इट माइट हेल्प. और ऐसा होता है. It so happens. Like Thomas Edison failed 999 times. And when he was asked in an interview कि आप इतनी बार हारे, you had a failure, he said no, मैं हारा नहीं. I got experience with every failure. और तभी मैं उस इन्वेंशन तक पहुंच सका. फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में नहीं हुआ, but every attempt gave me a new step towards my success. ये है. Now, ये तो हुआ सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस. एंड व्हाट अबाउट मोटिवेशन? मोटिवेशन के लिए हमको कोई, व्हाट इज मोटिवेशन? मोटिव इज योर नीड, योर डिजायर. हमें कोई चीज ऐसी हो जिसके मारे हम ये सोचें कि ये मुझे ये करना है. जुनून. यू नीड टू हैव इट. विदाउट मोटिवेशन अगर आप रह रहे हैं तो यू विल फील एवरी डे इज अ नॉर्मल डे, नो प्रॉब्लम, मैं तो चल रहा है जैसे चल रहा है. डोंट अलाउ एनीबडी टू ब्रिंग यू डाउन. योर रिमोट कंट्रोल शुड बी इन योर हैंड्स. आई टोल्ड यू, डोंट लुक अप टू एनीवन एंड डोंट लुक डाउन ऑन एनीवन. इजंट इट? देयर इज वन मोर स्टोरी. एक्चुअली मुझे स्टोरीज सुनाना और सुनना बहुत अच्छा लगता है. आप सोचेंगे सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस और मोटिवेशन पे बोलने आई है और स्टोरी पर स्टोरी सुना रही है. बट आई एम ट्राइंग टू कन्वे व्हाट आई फील थ्रू द स्टोरीज. एंड स्टोरीज एक बहुत ही इम्प्रेशनेबल इम्पैक्ट छोड़ के जाती है. सो द स्टोरी गोज लाइक दिस. अ ट्रैवलर वाज गोइंग थ्रू एन एलिफेंट कैंप. उसने वहां देखा कि all the elephants, big elephants, were tied to small ropes. He said, अच्छा, how is it possible? इतना बड़े बड़े हाथी उस छोटी सी रोप से कैसे बंधे हुए हैं? He called the trainer. He was very curious to know कि what is the reason. He said, when they were babies, they were tied to these ropes, and gradually as they grew up, they got conditioned to that small rope which they thought they can never break free. They cannot break free and they cannot go away from this jungle. इसीलिए वो आज भी यही सोचते हैं कि उनकी वो छोटी चेन उनके लिए वो बाधा है जो उनको आगे बढ़ने नहीं देगी। हमारे साथ भी दोस्तों ऐसा ही होता है। छोटी छोटी बाधाओं को जो हमने कभी फेस की हो, आज भी हमें उनको सोच के डर लगता है कि नहीं, हम कैसे इससे निकलें। उसको निकलने का यही तरीका है। उसका जो मॉरल उसने जो हंटर ने दिया वो यही था। He said they have learned helplessness. This happens when someone has been conditioned to anticipate discomfort in some way without having a way to avoid or make it stop. After enough conditioning, the person will stop any attempts to avoid pains because उसको ये लगता है कि जिस भी जोन में मैं रह रहा हूँ, I am comfortable, I am okay, मुझे कुछ भी चाहिए नहीं। That is fine because this is my destiny. But destiny किसी कोई बनाता नहीं है। Destiny हम लोग खुद बनाते हैं। We make our own destiny. ये तो पक्का है। Then it is always said, don't go through life, grow through life. ये आप मानो कि हम we are just not passing by. What we are doing is we have to grow each day, every moment of our life. We have to grow. So वैसे तो बहुत कुछ मैं बोलूं, लेकिन मैं समझती हूँ कि सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस एक वो टूल है जिसको कि हम लोग डेवलप कर सकते हैं एट एनी एज। देयर इज नो एज बार फॉर दैट। उसके लिए ये हम सोचें कि सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस के लिए मुझे कोई पर्टिकुलर स्कूल या किसी कॉलेज में जाना है। इट्स नॉट अ हार्ड स्किल, इट्स अ सॉफ्ट स्किल। तो ये हमारे अंदर तभी आएगी जब हम लोग इस बात के लिए तैयार रहेंगे कि हम सब लोगों के लिए वी आर ओपन टू लिसनिंग, वी ट्रस्ट आवरसेल्व्स। गलत भी हुआ है सो एक्सेप्ट इट। ऐसा नहीं है कि गलतियां नहीं करते, और गलतियां वही करते हैं जो एक ब्राइट फ्यूचर की तरफ बढ़ रहे हैं। अदरवाइज तो इट्स अ नॉर्मल डे, वी कीप ऑन लिविंग। बहुत लोग जीते हैं बिना कुछ एम्बिशन के, पर एम्बिशन हो, गोल हो, तो हमें लगता है कि हाँ। यस, एनी क्वेश्चंस? एनीबडी कैन आस्क मी। कुछ अगर पूछना चाहो तो आई विल बी बेटर, आई विल आंसर यू। आई थिंक आप लोग अभी और क्या स्टोरी सुनना चाह रहे हो? नहीं, अभी नहीं। स्टोरी सुना सकती हूँ, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। देयर आर सो मेनी थिंग्स। एक्चुअली यू कीप ऑन बिल्डिंग। बात करना भी एक कला है। बिना किसी सब्सटेंशियल टॉपिक के भी मेनी पीपल कैन कंटिन्यूअसली टॉक एंड कन्विंस। और यस, वी कैन डू इट। एनीथिंग इफ यू वांट टू आस्क ऑल माय व्यूअर्स। आपको कुछ लगा हो, कुछ पूछना चाहते हैं? What else can you say? Yes, anything anybody wants to ask? I'm waiting for you all. I gathered so much of confidence to come in front of you to tell you something which I had in my mind. तो आपके दिमाग में जो हो आप मुझसे बिल्कुल पूछ सकते हैं। Okay, by the time somebody asks me something, there is, I can, कहाँ है? I cannot see, I can see your phone, let me see. Sandhya Sharma says, hi Deepti, I'm watching you live. After so many years, you look the same. Okay, thank you, thank you. And Grit Sharma says, very impressive and great motivator, thank you. Urmila Vashish says, very good, all the best. I am seeing some more questions. There's some problem. Snigdha Sharma. Arul Sharma asks, how should we motivate the students who have passed out class 12th during this corona time? Okay, good. Okay, Parul, I would like to answer you. Ki this corona time can be used as a blessing also. Of course, it's a curse because इतना ज़्यादा लोगों को, the whole world is affected by it. लेकिन after every black cloud there is a silver lining. आप ये सोचिए कि 12th पास बच्चों के लिए they have got time still to think what they could not under the pressure of their studies. उन लोगों को ये समझ में आएगा कि बहुत कुछ है जो हमारी इंटरेस्ट थे जिनको हम लोग नहीं कर पा रहे थे. इन दिस लॉकडाउन जब कॉलेजेस स्कूल्स आउटसाइड प्रेशर्स बंद हैं तो लुक इनटू योरसेल्फ, इनवर्ड आप देखो एंड ट्राई टू सी दैट व्हाट कैन यू द बेस्ट यू कैन ब्रिंग आउट फ्रॉम योरसेल्फ. यही मोटिवेशन है उन लोग के लिए. यही एक मैसेज है कि जो चीज़ हमारे हाथ में नहीं है वो अल्टीमेटली भगवान के हाथ में है. सो नेचर की दोबारा से रिस्पेक्ट करना इस यंग जनरेशन को बहुत ज़रूरी है. हमारी जनरेशन ने फिर भी नेचर को समझा, आज भी वैल्यू करते हैं, बट दिस यंग जनरेशन वॉज आई थिंक रनिंग इन द मैड रेस, जो कि भागना नहीं. लाइफ इज नॉट अ रेस, इट इज अ गेम टू बी प्लेड. अभिवीरा इंडिया, आई होप आई हैव मेड यू हैप्पी. अच्छा, Abhivira India, Jain Shri Krishna from the city of Mathura appreciates your beautiful thoughts expressed. Thank you, sir. Atul Saraswat from the heart, mingled with experiences. Thank you, Atul. Abhivira Noida says, admire your heartfelt thoughts being shared on the platform of Naya, bringing together. Thank you. We agree with Mr. Atul Saraswat's statement for Ma'am Heartfelt mingle. Acha, they say, great efforts, Buland share. Will be shortly back to you shortly for your motivational thoughts. Abhijit Sharma says, Parul Sharma asked, how should we motivate? This I've already asked. Really loved listening to you. Where are the questions?
Difference between self-confidence and esteem.
Where is it? Deepika asks, what is the difference between self-confidence and self-esteem? Very good question, Deepika. See, self-confidence is something that you gain from outer influences which you nurture, and self-esteem is that comes from within. There is a very hairline difference between these two. Like for example, Sachin Tendulkar or Dhoni when he goes to play cricket with self-confidence of course, and वो out हो गया एक डक पर, लौट के आया तो मीडिया से उसको खूब सारे अच्छे अच्छे कमेंट्स मिले. सो क्या उसका सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस कम हुआ? एट दैट पर्टिकुलर मोमेंट लिटिल बिट यस, बट सेल्फ एस्टीम नहीं. सेल्फ एस्टीम एक वो वैल्यू है जिसमें कि हम समझते हैं आई एम द बेस्ट वर्जन ऑफ माई सेल्फ. एंड बेस्ट वर्जन ऐसा नहीं है, बेस्ट फोन्स भी कई बार हैंग हो जाते हैं. तो बेस्ट वर्जन डजंट मीन दैट दे कैन नॉट डू मिस्टेक्स और दे कैन नॉट कम विद सम एरर. हो जाता है, देयर आर मेनी इन्फ्लुएंसेस दैट मेक इट हैपन. लेकिन इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि हम सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंट हैं और हम अपनी सेल्फ एस्टीम को छूने दें. नो, सेल्फ एस्टीम इज समथिंग विच यू शुड ऑलवेज कीप विद योर सेल्फ, ऑलवेज, स्पेशली गर्ल्स. बॉयज के लिए भी बहुत ज़रूरी है. तो सेल्फ एस्टीम और सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस में बहुत फ़र्क नहीं है, बट बहुत बड़ा फ़र्क है. जैसे सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस खुद में है तो सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस, लगे सब में मैं बेस्ट हूँ तो एरोगेंस, वो तो नेगेटिव हो गया. लेकिन सेल्फ एस्टीम इज समथिंग वेयर यू फील दैट यू आर द बेस्ट, और इन एनी और सिचुएशन मैं घबरा करके कुछ गलत स्टेप नहीं लूँ. मैं ऐसा कुछ नहीं करूँगी जिसमें कि मैं अपनी इस प्रेशियस लाइफ को चैलेंज में डाल दूँ, परेशानी में डाल दूँ. There is one more question, Deepika. I hope you understand, and your self-esteem will always be high as ever. Abhijit Sharma asks, "How do I start the self-belief journey of my infant baby in the best possible way?" Okay, Abhijit Sharma. First of all, congratulations for your infant baby, and the best possible way to start the self-belief journey. Yes. See, we have to grow a child with his natural capabilities. लोग बोलते हैं कि मैं, there is something very important which I saw once. I was reading, going through. हाँ, it was that I raised my child. I was risen by I was raised as a Hindu. I was raised as a Muslim. I was raised. No, humans are not raised. उनमें तो अपने ही भगवान ने, humans means that what humans are means consciously shaping yourself. So if you consciously shape yourself, अभी वो बहुत छोटा है या छोटी है, तो आपको उसको, you have to help her. As a parent, you have to see that what are her interests, what is she inclined to at a very early age. आजकल बच्चे अपना क्या चाहिए, they try and show what they are demanding. So you please do not try to raise your child, you try to develop him consciously, where उसमें let him grow till the age of 3. How old is your child, I do not know, but till the age of 3 give him that open environment जहाँ उसको ये नहीं he is in a cradle and मम्मी ने poems, counting, ABCD सिखाना शुरू कर दिया. No, don't teach him any language, don't teach him any manners, though I am a teacher but still I say so. उसको देखो and give him he'll flow himself. He's a very light paper presently, but he will get that substance with what he sees. He will see you and he will believe in you, but he will believe in herself or himself. एंड आई एम श्योर अगर आप उसका बेस्ट जर्नी चाहते हैं लाइफ का, एंड ऑफ कोर्स ऑल पेरेंट्स वांट दैट, तो उसके लिए आपको यही करना चाहिए कि डू नॉट ट्राई टू इम्पोज योर imaginations or your dreams, what you wanted to be or what you still want, and you want, yes, I want it to be this, I want my child to be that. No, every life is individual, every life has come with a purpose which he or she will achieve. We are just the guiding force, the beacon light. I bless your child a healthy and a long life with beautiful and wonderful parents' guidance. Deepika thanks me, thank you. Bajpayee Janvi says, what sculpture is to a block of marble, education is to human soul. Yes. What sculpture is to a block of marble, education is to a human soul. Very true. I agree. But see, the education is of many types. It can be formal education. Our great grandparents were not formally educated, but then they had the education of humanity. वो humanity की education, they are the values which will craft us like a sculptor crafts a stone, वैसे ही we as humans need knowledge, but knowledge is just not education based. आज इस लॉकडाउन में all schools are closed. We as teachers are struggling hard with online and home based tuitions, classes and tuitions. But if it is not there, suppose internet was not there और ऐसा पेंडेमिक आता, तो क्या बच्चे और बड़े ग्रो करना रुक जाते? क्या वो लोग स्टेबल स्टैटिक हो जाते? नहीं, दे वुड हैव स्टिल ग्रोन, बढ़ते, एक दूसरे को देख के। एनवायरमेंटल होता है ना, एनवायरमेंट से बहुत फर्क पड़ता है, वेयर यू ग्रो, वेयर यू लिव, सराउंडिंग्स कैसी हैं, उससे आपके पेरेंट्स आपको क्या सिखा रहे हैं, आपके एल्डर्स क्या सिखा रहे हैं, आपका फ्रेंड सर्कल कैसा है, ऑल दीज थिंग्स आर ऑल्सो, they also help you in crafting you as a human. I hope I satisfied you. Abhijit Sharma says very well explained, thank you so much. Mayank says, it good to take risks? Should one be a risk loving person or a risk averse person? Oh, he seems to be a young boy. Yes, it is good to take risks, but risks should be calculated and intelligent risks. Not that I do not know swimming and somebody asks me, come on, can you jump in this? Oh yes, why not? And I dive down. What will happen? I'll land up sinking. Take calculated risks, but you should be well equipped. Like the story I told you about the bird. You have that much of strength in you. Your capabilities, improve yourself in the arena you want to take risks. Suppose, like I like driving a lot and I drive very fast. But then the day I sat on the steering was not when I drove at 140. Gradually, calculative risks are essential and they are a boost to life. You need to have a kick. Kick in life is very essential. Okay, Mayak? Uma says, hello. Hello, Ashu here. Do you foresee formal education ever coming back to its pre-COVID self for kids, or will online be the new normal? Yes, I think the young parents are towards the formal and the old education pattern, which for years we have been doing now. But I personally feel that old education, what was it? Let me read once more. Do you foresee formal education ever coming back to us? Okay, yes, it will come back. We have to be optimistic. It's not that अब ये हो गया तो दोबारा ऐसा कुछ नहीं होगा. This COVID challenge was something very new and unique for us. Many people have taken advantage of that. Some committed suicide, unfortunately, thinking that they cannot cope up with life. But life is only a life when it is full of challenges, full of rough terrains. Only then your capabilities are judged. Running on a smooth road is not difficult, but a road not taken, if you go onto that with bumps and jerks and stones, and then finally when you reach the destination and when you tell others your experiences, they are like, oh, it is an experience to be felt yourself. Very true, Abhivira Foundation. Namrata says, very well explained. Okay, thank you, Namrata. I'm happy. I think I've tried to tell. Brit Sharma asks, how can we motivate a student? Okay. Motivation is a self-developed skill, Brit Sharma. Because of course we can make a conducive environment around where the child himself gets motivated towards that. But the present child, if you tell them you have to be motivated, will he be? You have to study, will he study? No. When he realizes the importance of studies, it is at a very young age that you need to develop and inculcate. But at that young age, the parents and the elders, उनकी ये जिम्मेदारी हो जाती है कि वो ऐसा एक माहौल बनाए. अगर माँ बाप दोनों बुक लेके बैठ के पढ़ रहे हैं पूरे दिन, तो what will the child do? He will also study in his free time. If they are fighting, what will the child do? He'll also fight. He'll also find to be motivated to fight. So, motivation to a child can only by improving his personal skills. His overall personality should be seen, developed, and that can give him motivation, because that motivation and self-confidence cannot be attained in a professional or online platforms where they say we motivate you. What do? They give you experiences, challenges. You have to fight it, you have to prove it. So many live shows come on television, ye challenge, wo challenge. So all these things, what do? They just help you for motivation. And when a child realizes कि उसकी need है, it is the need of the time. Like I was very poor at online teaching skills, but now it was a challenge. There was no other option left, so we started doing it. Motivation comes with the requirement of your need. Is the child motivated? Some artists, they are not motivated to go for formal education. He will be just writing, scribbling whole day long, and because he's motivated for something of his liking. So life is an experience. Enjoy it, go through it. And Deepika says, okay, I think I've told. Jennifer Sharma says, really love listening to you. It's about to be 5 and I'll be finishing shortly. So बस अब मुझे ये लगता है कि life is just an art. Everybody is an artist. So paint yourself and paint the world with your imagination and grow. Do not just go through life, you need to grow through life. It was a very wonderful experience, a challenging experience for me for the first time. I'll improve for my next session, and you can also come up with something new. And I think it's time. It's another 3 minutes. If anybody wants to ask me anything else, otherwise we'll be just winding. I'm thankful to Abhivira Foundation Agra. And what else can I say? It's time for sending off. I'll sign out now. It's already 2 more minutes to go. There are no more questions. Sangeeta Clarence says, wonderful session, ma'am. Beautifully, thankfully convinced. Thank you so much. Thank you for your support and thank you for your encouragements. It was a challenge for me, which I accepted, and I'll come with something better next time. Thank you, Pinku. I think it's time to sign off. Bye-bye. God bless you. I think I'm still live. There's something. Okay. Thank you.